Hello everyone, how are you doing? Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. So today, our Mazi have a message for everyone. It is good you listen to him, the leader of the Biafra National League. Have a lot to tell us. Listen to him and I'll be right back.
How many of us that are feeling, for those of us in this useless country, I don't know how many of us that are feeling the heat of what is going on, the situation of things in Nigeria now, the condition we find ourselves now is so terrible, so terrible. I don't know their intention for redesigning currency. Some people say it's to frustrate buying of votes ahead of the general election. Some people say that it will help to revive their economy. A lot of people with different thoughts. While some of us also in the Biafran struggle also believe that the purpose of this design of currency or cashless policy, or what they call it, is targeted at us, at the freedom fighters, for the purpose of frustrating what we are doing. Honestly, the situation of things now in Nigeria has collapsed completely. The country has collapsed completely. Nigeria is no longer a country. A country frustrating her citizens nationwide. It's not what to be called a country, a home. If truly that the design of currency is targeted at those that buy votes, so because of that, and punish the masses, You can't conduct free and fair election without redesigning currency. If I thought that's the major reason. And if it is because of insecurity, I hear them talking about insecurity. I heard them talking about insecurity. How do you stop insecurity with redesigning of currency? As I'm talking to you now, what they call them, ISWAP, Boko Haram, they have bundles of the new currency. How did it get to their hand? Even before the CBN started saying everybody should submit old currency, Boko Haram and ISWAP, they displayed the currency in the video. Those bundles of new currency, how did it get to them? How? I said it's attacking security. Every day when I pass on the roadside, I see the kind of crowd I see in the bank. The kind of crowd I see in the bank. People are collapsing, dying in the bank every day. Every day people are dying, collapsing in the bank. I'm talking about people. How about myself? Myself, I'm affected. I'm also affected. So far, you are not in Nigeria. Unless you are not in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. As I am now in my house, I don't have up to 5,000 naira cash. I don't have up to 5,000 naira cash as I am now. I usually buy, because now they sell the currency. I used to buy from bank staffs. When they have cash, they call me, oh, money don't come. I go and pay. They will charge me. transfer, they give me cash. Some POS usually bring me cash, but since Friday, no bank has been. The locality, the banks that my bank have not, the staff there have not called me that to come and collect cash, that they don't have cash. POS, when they give me money, since Friday, I never see them. I have money no day. A lot of my plans, our plans is this thing is really affecting it, honestly. But we have a very important gathering in Akwa Ibom that is supposed to be anytime within this week. So the frustration, I don't really understand how it's going to be. I don't know how it's going to be. Our boys in the creek at the borders there, they don't do transfer. There's nothing like that. They don't do it. It's raw cash. So how would they cope or operate? Do they do transfer? But where in Bakasi will you go and see POS or whatever do transfer? Whenever they come, you can only get cash. Or when you are coming out of there to Calabar or to Oron in Bakasi. Those in hinterland borders. Because these boys, they don't come out, they are not visible. They don't do useful and do transfer, whatever. Most of them don't even have account. If their purpose is to frustrate us, of course. Now when the situation they make something change, they make you re-strategize. Of course, we are going to re-strategize and know how to conquer this madness. Because it's not going to stop us at all. It's not going to stop us. We're in a very big hellfire in Nigeria now. Everywhere is the heat is too much. Everywhere is boiling. In fact, these days it's not happening. It's not like that in the north. Because some people are calling in the north, they are not giving me the kind of complaint that people from the so-called southern region are complaining. Money is in circulation there. They have cash there in the north. The cashless policy now only for south, only for east. Only for east now is the cashless policy. They work. They are suffering people. You cannot work such thing even though their purpose is to boost their economy or whatever. Such thing cannot work in Nigeria. If you tell yourself it, you no go work. That will suffer people. In fact, this has even made me to imagine how the civil war blockade looks like. No money, no food. Because now almost the same thing now we're into now. Almost the same thing we're into. When you don't get money for house, you don't have cash at all. Do you know what it is? How do you survive? See this useless entity. When they this country, all of them now they are all fools. Both those when they contest and those when will go vote. Fools. They are all fools. Every 4 years you come back again and vote. You tell me to go and vote. No, vote them out. This sovereign is not too much. And you think it's election that will sort it out? You think it's by voting? Every day they vote, your vote no dey count. Every 4 years. You dey vote. Has your vote counted? Even if you vote, let's assume after the vote, how can you protect your vote to make your vote count? How can you protect your vote? They will count am for polling unit, you go see am. When they don't carry am go office, when they count and then you don see when they don carry the ballot box go office, you know wetin they dey do there? Na to print. Okay, but of course I don't know wetin dey eat some of your brains. Make I no use our, because I no follow. I don waste my time going to vote. Like since when mama born me, I no get PVC. I still dey talk am tomorrow. I no get PVC. One time when I don ready to vote, I go see people I go see suffer, the kind crowd line up to get PVC. I say, who I wan go suffer like this? Who I wan go vote? Wey know me or person no know me? Person know me or person no know me? Or person wey go like go save Nigeria? Now I go stand for the hot sun. Say I wan go do PVC. When they say no go use am for bank, you know, I go do national ID keep. I might use the wrong bank stuff. I can't waste my time. And every year now for the past how many years, it's why they late to hold the year election, vote. Now criminals they always they win. Now criminals. So if you know you can't protect your vote, there is no point coming out under the hot sun to suffer yourself. Because Nigeria here na waste of time. The best thing to do these people, all of them are the same. All of them are the same. They are all crooks. Nigerian politicians, they are all crooks. If you never do what they do there for Ghana, what if Ghana do their own politicians? Gather them one place like this, bomb them. Not all of them die. That is the only time. That is only when you will say, oh, you have I think we are not free from bondage. But so far as this is every time they are moving wow with their hillocks, their police escort every time. Midnight that they take the cashless policy. How do you think it will truly affect them? When all the candidates get bank managers number, all the money wey they bring from Abuja, from CBN, before e reach once they reach any bank branch location, they don call the candidate say money don land o. Na by midnight I used to see some of them if I'm coming back home late. See bullion van they comot from bank. That night they no go put siren, they no go on siren. Escort police go dey follow them, but no no siren. Where are those bullion van heading to? People money, our money wey person suffer make, you no fit collect am again. How? Na midnight they take pack the money, and now so somebody tells me that it's because of vote buying. I won't believe something. You can't stop vote buying in Nigeria. You know fit. We people wey wan stop vote buying na Tinubu wey na him the bullion van by himself. You know how many bullion van when they operate since when this cashless policy, how much they don pack go in house? Or Atiku. Even Emefiele, CBN governor Emefiele, he go swear say Tinubu no dey call am for phone. Say if they don print, make they shift him own. He go swear say Tinubu no dey call am for phone. No be APC put am for there. No be Buhari put am for there. They know what they are doing. Now because of say, well, I don't know why we too calm for east, for southeast, south. When I did this thing worst. The only solution is to go burn all this bank, burn all the bank, or any ATM when they pay money. I know I had my talk. Any ATM when they pay money, they pour and fuel burn or break pieces. That is the only way out. Any ATM when no pay, na to pieces. Everybody break and down. All those crowds when they for bank there, By the time they don break all the ATM machine, break all the ATM machine, no person go tell them to reverse that so-called policy. To reverse that so-called policy. But some of us are suffering and smiling. Suffering and smiling. Na me talk am o. Na the only solution, na the only way be that. Because when you are not, even if you no do them like under NSAS, this one na end banking. If you no do them like that, they no go get sense. All those bank ATM, once you don dey for line, you don pass 4 hours, break na to break all the ATM machine. I sent 2 people to bank today. Around 6 they left. Around 6. I have more than 12 ATM cards. More than 12 ATM cards. 6 are a particular bank, UBA. Because I operate different bank with UBA, different account with UBA. I gave the 2 of them two ATM card. I said, "Oh, since when my customer for bank never call me, I can't collect cash. Mona go hustle now. Stay at least around 6. Mona see whether I will get cash. Because I want to drive. I should be in Akwa anytime this week. So I will not disappoint my colleagues, my boys that are waiting for me. Since around 16 now, as I'm talking to you, what's the time now? This to 4:31. 4:31. They said they never even start the pay. ATM never start the pay. Inside bank, they are paying for 5,000 with 50 naira note. They never even start the pay. I don't think how I want to do now. Whether I have to cancel this engagement. Is it to cancel it? Because I know go get cash for hand. What of us at the Bakasi emergency happen? My fuel finish for road. When finish station, when they collect transfer, when they do POS, how we can't take it. How from there? How do I go to Bakasi? How do I say how? Most of our boys they don't do bank something. Most of them say they are afraid to go to bank. They don't do bank something. They will not get account. But they will not. We will find means. We will find means. We are going to find means to outsmart. I believe so. We will outsmart them. We are going to find means to outsmart them. That one is sure. When they hide all the money, when they print money, we will outsmart them. Honestly, just that I don't know the Afro currency. I don't know how we can get it. Get it in bundles. Bundles. What do you say? Bundles. Honestly speaking, they will shock. I would not have to go back as a distributor. We start from Gulf of Guinea there. They use the Afro currency. You see Nigerian currency there now, bundle. Or less now exchange. We can exchange it to our own exchange rates. I feel one. Even boys they have with the Afro currency. We will introduce the Afro currency there, begin use and for that place, e go dey effective 100%. For that place, e go dey effective. No use am there. And that's how we use it. Even the traders, the market, they will comply. They will comply. And if we see any whether Cameroonian soldier or Nigerian, they begin harass any of the traders. The boys catch you say they harass any of them. Now shoot aside. Now me talk with my mouth. Now shoot aside. Just that we don't know where we get this currency. Anybody that knows how, original one will not be fake. In circulation, I say from we begin circulating from where they come. Confusion go dey. Confusion go dey. You see what we are talking about when we are talking about Biafra. Some people say na jobless people. How are you talking? Instead of us to make Nigeria a better place, let's fight to make Nigeria a better place. But country wey don fight war 3 years, e still dey repeat the same thing wey cause war. You a human being still dey hope that you make Nigeria a better place. Now be say foul Far will pinch your brain. Far will pinch your brain. Let's vote. This person is the only competent candidate that can change Nigeria for dream. If they tell you, they wake you up, say this candidate go change Nigeria, you no go slap the person when tell you that kind of thing. You no go slap the person when tell you that kind of thing. And you are still hoping Nigeria will be better. And Nigeria will be better. They go vote finish. When you vote finish, the candidate when money pass, they will gather all the vote, give am. You go waste your time. Don't waste after this election. I will come back and laugh. I will come back and laugh at many of you. Many of you. I don't want to talk too much. Mom, be say this money crisis is truly. I am convinced that they are doing this thing to frustrate us in this struggle. Because now we dey affect pass. I never call anybody for not say him begin tell me say cash you no dey, all those kind of things. No, only from south east, e worst. And this CBN no dey send them money for here. They no dey send them money. Well, we are going to. I just hope. Let me succeed. So I will because we have a very important meeting in Akwa Ibom and another one in Bakasi Peninsula with the boys. So everybody will come up. So we know how we can do this issue of money. We really have to find solution. How we can be doing issue of money. Because we cannot give them chance to frustrate us. All they are doing is to frustrate us and kill all our plans. Because money is everything. If you don't get money for hand, I want to take at least get emergency something. Okay, look throughout today. Even the so-called transfer they say we should be doing. Throughout today, I have not transferred 1 naira. I have not. The 2 people I sent to bank now, they are stranded. As I'm talking to you, they are stranded. They have gone to PS. Send me account number. I should send transport money so they will start coming back. I keep transferring. I've been doing different app, different bank, completely shut down. No network. No network. If that is the reason why, because I planned doing this broadcast by 3, but they were calling me. I was struggling with different platforms to transfer money, no way. So this kind of thing now, because an emergency something, where you supposed to use cash run, you go to transfer, network will disturb you. See this country, have to collapse this country. You don't collapse, but there's a complete. Never too complete. The collapse never too completely go down. Nigeria needs to go down because they have done the worst. They have done the worst. Somebody was telling me that the cashless policy will help. There won't be too much cash in circulation. How it will boost the economy. How it will help the economy. That he's a financial. He's talking on the aspect of as a financial student. So he's seeing it from that aspect. I said, okay, you're a financial student, so you're not telling me how it will. Well, if you're a financial student and you're seeing it from that perspective, I myself, I studied commerce. I'm seeing it as from the angle of a trader. Because trading, you have to do with cash. Not all traders, they collect and file. Not all of them, they even get account. Na cash. So, commerce is more important than the finance and economy. You said you are studying. And in the soccer, when he went to POS to collect money, they called him money. They called charges, he ran away. You see, that is why some people are suffering and smiling. suffering and smiling. This country. Now this country na just to say people for our side just keep quiet. All those banks, e get where e go be. All those banks they don raise am down. What dem say if this thing now worse for north as e worse for south east. Hausa people never go, they never enter inside those banks. Yeah? Comot all their head when dey inside there. I'm telling you the truth. Telling you the truth. If they go hear me clearly, any bank, all those crowd when they dey for bank, nobody can overwhelm you. Any bank wey no dey pay, security no dey there. Nobody. Any bank wey no dey pay, you don stand for line 4 hours. More na break all, na to break all the ATM machine. Na to break all the ATM machine. Na that's what I say. To break all the ATM machine. By the time they don begin break different states, they will reverse the so-called useless policy. I know you design your naira, then make it circulation, make it circulate. Why not pay? Why are you hiding the money to suffer people? You are targeting a particular people, criminals. We are going to find. We will find means. It's really affecting us. It's affecting us. Truth be told, we are not. I'm not hiding anything, but we are going to. I believe we are going to find means of transaction. I will be doing our transaction so that because we are in 9 minutes, and of course we need to know how to reach out to our boys financially and other stuff like that. So we are going to make them understand that their actions will not in any way affect what we are doing. It's just a matter of time. It just it will soon come to pass. It will soon come to pass. We will tackle it. We are going to tackle it. I believe we are going to tackle it. Okay. So they should look for another strategy, but this one will not last. This one will not last. Anyway, I don't think I have much. I just make I come talk how it dey be. I don't know that I reach anybody how it dey be. Everybody suffer. Everybody suffer. It dey affect you. It dey affect me. I'm not gonna lie you. Everybody suffer. Because it's tying me down. Since this rubbish started, I never make move. Why I want travel go? I never make move. So it's affecting me as a person. It's affecting the movement. It's affecting my group. But I will look for a way to ensure that our meeting good, and I will come up with a strategy or idea on how we can on how to do with this issue of money. If we can arrange with some POS people, I can be supplying us cash, buying or selling. Would they buy? I buy, they buy. I buy, they buy money. Even the POS, when they sell for me the money, I know since Friday I know see. You never get. The staff where my bank, if say money don't enter, if I walk say money don't enter, I say okay, come on social amount for me, make I come do transfer for you. She go sell for me, or him go sell for me. Since Friday, that's to show you say, to show you say, they don't send money come down this way. How I want to do? I say my house now, I don't have up to 5,000 cash. So how I want to how I want to hey, wahala dey. We are going to sort it out. Even if the physical meeting, we'll try and do a Zoom meeting and find a way on how to come out of this madness. They are not going to stop us. They are not going to stop us. They will shamelessly uh, reverse their stupid policy that is not helping anybody. So I don't have much to say. I think I have to go. I don't get money to cook. I don't get strength. I don't get strength. People who I send go back never come back. So I don't want to talk too much. So let me shut down. Nigeria. Woo! It's small thing, no. Other African countries, they mock them. She know they catch them. It's a cashless policy. I bet why I want shut down. I greet you all. Thank you for giving me your time. Please share so that those that couldn't join live will watch later, and especially those abroad. No, I see what they pass through for here. At times, people like say make I go. My just run go Equatorial Guinea, go stay. Equatorial Guinea, go there, go stay. For Nigeria, no, staying in Nigeria just na hellfire. Hellfire. But when I go at that place, go at that country, go stay. Equatorial Guinea here after Bakasi. Honestly, because na hellfire now we do. now they fire the bomb. Now they fire the bomb for Nigeria. And as they burn so, at the right time it is hit them. At the right time to hit them. And be this period. Everybody find a way. Anyway, I've said my own. Thank you very much. Widely follow my page if you have not. Share your page, all the platforms you belong. I will join you again anytime this week. I will join you. I'll be speaking. Hopefully, I'll be speaking from Akwa Ibom and also from Bakasi Peninsula, where I have different engagements with our people over there. So I hope that I'll be able to come out of this nonsense. Thank you very much.
So my Kabbalistic people, that brings us to the end of the update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. I still remain your one and only Progress News, bringing you all the latest updates. Thank you and bye-bye.